As a control console operator, it's important to keep your cables organized and accessible to improve efficiency and protect them from damage. You can organize your cables on your control console by using dedicated electrical raceways, power bars, cable chains, and a pack of cable ties. First, make sure your machine is turned off before you start unplugging everything. Then clear the work surface of all accessories and peripherals. Now we can start thinking about how we are going to configure this particular setup. Let's begin with the cables that will go from your monitor to your CPU or to a power bar. Place one end where the monitor arm will meet the screen and start routing the cable along the structure of the monitor arm. Make sure to pass the cable through the dedicated cable holders and into the grommet hole that leads into the console substructure. Make the most of the steel substructure underneath your work surface and run your cables and keep them in place with some cable ties. If your console is height adjustable, simply run your cables through the dedicated cable chains on your control console. You'll need to press with one finger as you push the cable inside the cable chains. These flexible chains can be used to route cables through tight spaces or around obstacles and protect the cables while height adjustments are taking place. Ideally, power and data cables should run through different cable chains in order to avoid electromagnetic interference. Alternatively, you can run your cables through dedicated electrical raceways, like the ones featured on this focus wall. These channels are designed to route cables along the slat wall. They help protect your cables from damage and electromagnetic interference. And it also makes it easy to add and remove cables as needed, since the wall itself provides easy access through its removable panels. After you are done fixing your cables in place, remember to tag them for future reference. Tagging your cables is also important for easy maintenance. There are several ways to do this, such as using labels or markers. Tagging your cables helps you identify them quickly and easily, which can save you time and frustration in the long run. There are many ways to effectively manage your cables. These include using dedicated electric raceways, the support substructure and power bars, cable chains, grommets, and monuments, and of course, good old-fashioned cable ties. Thank you for watching, and let us know what other organization tips and tricks you'd like to hear about for your control console in the future.